Hi, this video is going to be an instruction or step-by-step on how to list on eBay using DSMTool. Recently, SKewGrid had been banned from their API has been banned from eBay, so they shut down the repricing tool and the lister. So I had to switch all my all my listings from SKewGrid to DSMTool. But this is a quick tutorial how to list on eBay, and I have a specific step by step on how I want the listings to be completed. Anyways, this is going to be specifically for the VAs, and the first thing you need to do, first thing first is you'll receive your own username and password on my via email from me, and then what you're going to do is log in, and you're going to type in, for example, because I created my own VA account, so just for a demonstration. Let's see. Hang on a second. It's a little too noisy, so I'm gonna go somewhere else. The background, there's a lot of background noise. Thanks. All right, sorry about that. I had to go somewhere else where it's a little quieter. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in now. Oops, I forgot to click on the I'm not a robot. I gotta click on all the images. Alright. Alright. Okay, so this is gonna be your dashboard. So what you're going to do is go to Rapid Lister, and it's pretty straightforward. So this is just an example of what I'm listing, and you just go ahead and copy the link from the stores, which this is Overstock, and you're going to choose Crazy Lister template. I don't think I have, there's quite a bit here, but yeah, please use the Crazy Lister template. Let's go ahead and click on import, and what you're going to do is, I'm not going to go through the titling part of it because you guys already should know how to title, but the neat thing about this is you can use this eBay suggestions search box. It's almost the same thing as what you're, how you're searching on eBay. Will suggest you some keywords. Let's say, for example, bar stool. See, eBay will suggest all these keywords that's already pre-populated. That means these are like the most searched keyword. So it's going to be the same thing here. So I think let's just do a demonstration here. Yes, so these are like the suggested keywords, and then you can just add the rest in. Just make sure you use all 80 characters for for furnitures, which that's the niche that I'm in on eBay. I usually for any furniture you would want to add in the style. In this case, let's say, for example, mid-century, modern, brown. You want to remove the brand, of course. Something like this, I would put in like counter height, stools. I already have stools, so let me go ahead and do this. um, um, do something like this, because bar stool it's like a certain height, and counter stools are a certain height, so they're two different. So I normally do is split this up because majority of the buyers will assume that it's a bar height stool, not a counter height stool. So I'll do bar counter height stool. Yeah, I usually would put the style in the front, something like that. Oops. I would do, let's see, high back. You could do farm. What is it? I think it's high back, because I think it's a high back stool. High back. You can use, yeah. So on Overstock they'll have the style too. So you can either use contemporary, or I put the wood. I'll put wood in here. Sorry about that. I'll put like mid-century wood, brown wood, and the rest. I mean, you guys get the point. So anyways, it's a nice feature on DSM. On here, you always want to put in 4. I always default this to 4 because, or all the items to 4. You don't need to enter in or change these. I already have this as default, 10% and break even 21%. That's including all the eBay fees, PayPal, and tax now, since we're getting charged for tax. Here you want to just double check, make sure you're in the right category. And this is where I like to focus on too, is entering these in. Dining room, brown stool. You could do like counter height, or yeah, it's already stool, only stool. The brand is fine. The model, I don't enter in the model. The height, you want to do 28 inches. And I'd like to add in more specific, like the dimension, especially for furnitures, because that's very important, is the dimension. So if you guys can add that in, so I'll just copy this and paste this. I usually just do like, oops, you could just remove this. I don't know what how many characters you can enter in, so I just remove these to inches, or the actual word inches, and just leave it like that. Then you create, add more specific, the seat height, because this helps as well on the search ranking. If you guys could add that. I know it takes a little bit more time, but it's understandable just because these are important information. Because if you have the information, once you have the once you have a buyer that's looking at your listing and you have all the information, they're not gonna look anywhere else. They won't go into another listing and look for something else because you don't have all the information. So I like to put these in. Like I said, these are like specific item specific stuff, so it really does help with all the it really helps on the search ranking. So anyways, you get the point. Here they're all like pretty they're all default because I've already set this up, and all you need to do, oh yeah, here there's 4 images. You can add actually I don't know if you can, or what I like to do also is just to flip all of these I think there's a way to flip this mirror image. Oh yeah, it does flip it. Just flip them, and then you know, want to add a collage type picture. I like this feature actually, so go ahead and you can just do autofill, and that's all. Then you can add that, and the rest here. This is my template, so I'm not sure it's gonna work, as I just created this from the Gracie Lister, and then you just click on Publish Now. And continue to publish. Actually like this tool better than SkewGrid just because it's a lot easier. I find it a lot easier for especially for the VAs. And then you want to just click on View just to make sure everything is all good. Not sure why this became the first default picture, but I can fix that. Yeah, pretty much that's it. As you can see, all the item specific is all filled out. This helps a lot with the buyer's experience, having all the information on the listing itself. And yeah, it doesn't look like it works because these should be like a scrolling pictures. So I would have to fix that and figure out why this is not working. Same thing here. It should be working here. I'm not sure why it's not working. Yep, so anyhow, I'll get that fixed. Actually, I might check out the other templates for now because I can't get this to work, but I'll let you know on the email which template to use. But yeah, this is just a quick tutorial on how to get this how to list from DSMTool. Alright, if you guys have any questions, just Skype me, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Bye bye.